PlayStation 4 unboxing. Here it is. Alright. Super excited about this. I don't even care. Really. Get open. Alright. Got a controller, which is the same exact controller as this one. Crap. More crap. A charging cable which uses micro USB, same as your phone. Hopefully a headset to plug into the bottom of the controller. And you have an HDMI cable, that's very nice. Power cord, because the power is inside the console, which is also nice. And then the star of the show. I can't wait. Come on. Alright. Got an HDMI cable. Put that in there. And a headset. Got that. Don't need this. Alright, so you have your HDMI out. You have your gigabit Ethernet, auxiliary, optical, the power cord, and that's about it on the back. On the side there's nothing. You got the power button and the eject button. You've got USB super speed, so they're USB 3.0. And then nothing on this side. That's about it. Probably one of the shortest unboxings I've ever done. I will be doing a separate video on how to install this 480 gigabyte Force GT SSD inside this console, which will make the dashboard load a lot snappier. The console should boot up a little bit quicker, and games that you download from the PSN store should load a lot faster. It also comes with $10 to spend in the PSN store. You get PlayStation Plus for 30 days, because PlayStation Plus is going to be required in order to play multiplayer games online. And you get like a free 30-day Music Unlimited pass. Now let's hook this thing up. Yep, that's the thumbnail. This is my super crappy entertainment center, but it's going to have to do for now. I'm going to just borrow the HDMI port from the Xbox here. Plug in this to the back. Give it some power. This is really good. Alright, then we're going to take a little micro USB cable, plug it into the front here. And then plug it into the controller. And now we're just going to press a little button right here. Oh, it's touch sensitive. So you don't even have to hardly push it. You just like rest your finger over it. Kind of like the old PS4 or the old PS3. There's the first startup. Connect to DualShock, press the PS button. United States. What I'm curious about is if it has dual band wireless or not. Are you kidding? This thing does not pick up dual band Wi-Fi, so like the 5 gigahertz networks, it doesn't see it. It only picks up 2.4. So I'm definitely going to be wired into my console. Got wired right here. Alright, Central Time. I don't care, it'll do the time. Yeah, it is 11:15 at 26. So like 12:26. I accept. Start now. And then there's the PlayStation thingy. which I don't know how to use it, so obviously I'm going to have to sign into my PSN account. I'm going to have to get used to this and familiarize myself with the system. I will do another video, again, on how to upgrade the hard drive to an SSD, more in-depth on the dashboard, and etc. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'll have links to my Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google+, pretty much everything in the description below. This is What Would Josh Do, and I'm out.